In this video, I'm going to show you how to install this type of electric boxes, the one that you are going to hold by the beams on the side of the house. So for instance, in this case, I am in a customer, so I'm going to show you here where I install the light fixture. In this case, in many places that I've been, they don't have the electric boxes in here. So if you want to install, for instance, a light fixture, a ceiling fan, or anything like that, it's better if you have something. Otherwise, by code, you have to have the electric box. You cannot have just the exposed cables. So basically, you can install something like this. If you have, for instance, a drywall like that, and you want to install something basic, you can install this, but usually this is for light fixtures. Usually inside of the box, you will see the weight, the rating, the weight that you can put, but no, it's not always the case. For instance, you have here the option if you want to use nails, if you want to use these. As you can see here, you have the different model. So in this case, we have the 6123. And this is the 2163, the one that you see here. So it says 61 pounds, and on top we have different kinds. So we have this type of boxes that you can nail to the beams. You have the one I just showed you before, and here you have the pounds of each box. So basically that is how it works. So it depends. Here you have another model as well, for instance. And what I prefer, if you're going to install something like that, I prefer something that's going to be very deep. So if you have to install, some light fixture with a lot of cables or whatever is the reason, you have more space. Otherwise, if you put one of those that are very shallow, it's going to be a problem if you put maybe a chandelier or something like that. I mean, it depends on you. Always, I prefer to put big boxes. It costs maybe 50 cents more or $1 more, but you're going to be happier at the end. So I'm going to show you step by step in this customer. I'm here how you can do everything. All right, we're going to make a hole over there, a little bit bigger, the same round as the other thing in the other side, so that way we can install this new light fixture. This is the attic, and I have the screw. I'm ready to go. So now, what we can do is we have to walk carefully over the rafters, and then we have to go where we have about this bracket, or the customer bought it. So as you can see, that is the bracket that you have to buy in order to install it. Now, here I was yesterday digging up a little bit, and you have to have someone in the other side to help you to tap, so that way you can do this. So this is the unit. So we are going to put the screw here, and in the other side. So basically, we want to put it in place where we want it. So kind of that is be the best place. Now I want to put the screws over there and over here. So we're going to work over there. The screws that comes with this, I don't like them, are this type. Usually they're a pain in the butt to make the holes. So I'm going to use usually the drywall screws. They're amazing. There you go. One. Now we have to put the other one over there. Now it's straight. Now we do the same thing in the other side. Make sure that is as flat as possible against the ceiling, the drywall. There we go. We're going to use another one. Nice. Let's screw. And there we go. We should be able to grab it from the other side. On the other side, we have to remove some of these. And here we have the box. So as you can see, here we have the box. I'm going to cut with the knife around this, and that's it. So you can see, if you use those screws, now everything is very tight. Now we remove these two. We should have enough space to put the other one. The ideal it will be that it will be flatter against this. See, it's not flush against the drywall. So I'm going to go to the other side. I'm going to put it down. Also have to run the cable. Okay, as you can see, this is from the other side. I have to make it a little bit lower so it will be flush against the drywall. That will be the ideal. And then here I have the power. And then we can run it through the hole that you see over there. So that hole, you have to go through there, right? As you can see, run the cable. I move everything lower, and everything should look good in the other side. All right, as you can see, all done. So I was able to install the light fixture. Now I have to put a few more things, and we are done. Okay, there you go. It works just great. Turn it off, turn it on.